in recent times where companies have invested and they played big, some companies gambled money onto analytics platforms. And the problem is if you gamble, there's no accountability, right? You're throwing the money out there, and if it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it's fine. We're getting to a point now where it's becoming a lot more, imperative for us to make sure that when we invest in something, that we have a clear expectation of what we're getting out of it, not just for our staff and our employees and for our shareholders, but also to make sure that the company can go forward, right? So we sort of live in a world where if you don't invest in data analytics, you're not going to be able to keep up with the ones that do. But if you do, you need to be really clear around where you're actually spending that money. So I think, from a investment perspective, it's important because firstly is we need to make sure that the CFO can keep us accountable and making sure that we're doing the right things. And I mean, there's a lot of work that we are also doing at the moment to upskill and train people within the financial sector, and specifically people that get either chartered accountants or CFOs, to equip them with the knowledge to ask the right questions when people come knocking for investment. So there's really that accountability to making sure that we're doing the right things. I think one of the big things that we've seen is AI has created this unrealistic expectations where it just says it can solve all your problems, and it doesn't. In actual fact, it might cause a lot more problems than anything else. So measurement starts bringing in that reality. So when you're adopting something new, you now know that I'm adopting it for a very specific reason, and I can expect something out of it. Without value measurement, all analytics becomes discretionary spend effectively, right? And what happens when budgets get tight? We're stopping all discretionary spend, right? And think about this logically, James. It's insane, right? So you spending money on data analytics is the same as people seeing you buying tea and cake for the office parties.
Yeah.
It's seen as an optional thing. It's seen as something that can just be stopped when times get tough. So I think really positioning ourselves towards a point of focusing on value becomes so much more important.